Good morning, everyone. I'm delighted you've chosen to join us for this important discussion about acquiring knowledge. We'll be looking at Gurukulprep and how it offers methods to acquire knowledge through tips on reading, online courses, mentorship, and experimentation. We'll explore the importance of understanding how to acquire knowledge efficiently and how it can be done. So let's get started. Acquiring knowledge is an essential part of achieving success. There are numerous methods to do so effectively, and I want to share some of these with you. We'll be discussing topics such as reading books, forming good habits, setting personal goals, and more. All these can help us acquire the knowledge we require to be successful. Additionally, learning from our errors and having faith in ourselves are key components of the process. I'm eager to discuss the methods of knowledge acquisition and how they can assist us to reach our goals. So, let us begin. Reading is a powerful tool that facilitates the growth of knowledge and understanding. It enables readers to gain insight into the thoughts and concepts expressed by authors, explore our world from different angles, and broaden our perspectives. Additionally, reading builds language and communication aptitudes by introducing us to a variety of writing styles and genres. Moreover, it stimulates critical thinking, as readers are able to analyze and assess the data presented. By setting aside time to read, we can unlock a universe of knowledge, wisdom, and discernment. Online courses can be a great way to acquire knowledge in a flexible and convenient way. From learning new languages to career advancement, there are online courses for everyone. You can still get the benefits of a traditional classroom with the ability to interact with experts and other students. Give online courses a go and see what knowledge can be acquired. Mentorship is a key element in gaining knowledge. A mentor can give you access to expertise and wisdom that comes from someone with greater experience than yourself, along with the skills necessary to be successful. Mentors can offer guidance, backing, and unique perspectives on the information you're pursuing. On top of that, you can also benefit from their feedback on your work, which can help you improve and progress professionally. Though finding a mentor can be difficult, there are multiple resources to help you make the connections required in your particular area. Networking is an effective tool for obtaining knowledge and staying competitive. Connecting with people in your field or sector can give you access to the latest trends, best practices, and creative concepts. Furthermore, it allows you to gain the knowledge of others and gain useful information from their experiences. With networking, it is possible to stay up to date on the most recent developments in your area, which can provide you with an advantage. With networking, Gurukulprep offers you the chance to gain knowledge from those who already know. Gaining experience is essential to learn and grow. At Gurukulprep, we provide tools to help individuals identify and leverage internships, apprenticeships, and entry-level positions to gain valuable learning experiences related to their interest area. Acquiring experience helps boost knowledge and self-confidence, so don't hesitate to take risks and use mistakes as learning opportunities. Every experience presents a chance to further develop skills and grow. Making mistakes is an inevitable part of life, but it doesn't have to be a bad thing. Mistakes can actually be a valuable way to acquire knowledge. When we make mistakes, we have the opportunity to learn from them and use these experiences to improve ourselves. In addition, making mistakes provides us with the opportunity to gain new insights and ideas, and to build resilience and perseverance. So, next time you make a mistake, don't be afraid to take it as a learning opportunity. Traveling can be one of the most valuable forms of acquiring knowledge. When we travel, we have the opportunity to immerse ourselves in different cultures, languages, and ways of life that we may not have experienced otherwise. This can provide us with a newfound appreciation for the world around us. Additionally, Stepping out of our comfort zones can open up a range of personal growth prospects. We can pick up crucial life skills such as adaptability, problem solving, and communication. These are skills that can benefit us in all aspects of our lives. Whether you're looking for a new cultural experience, or for personal development, traveling provides a great platform for learning and growth. Podcasts are an increasingly convenient and cost-effective way to get knowledge and stay informed. With topics ranging from educational to news to interviews, podcasts offer a wide array of accessible content. Plus, many podcasts feature interviews with industry experts, giving listeners a valuable insight into different points of view. So why not take advantage of this great resource for knowledge and benefit? Webinars are a great way to gain knowledge from the comfort of your own home. You can access experts from anywhere in the world and have the advantage of being able to ask questions and interact with other participants. The recordings are also useful for revisiting the topics at your own pace. Webinars are usually tightly focused on specific topics, giving a good understanding of the subject. Attending conferences can be a great way to gain knowledge. Experts in the field can provide valuable insight and new ideas regarding industry trends and best practices. It is also an excellent opportunity to build relationships with other professionals and grow your professional network. From networking events to talking to other attendees, conferences offer a platform for connecting with similarly minded people. Taking the time to attend conferences can provide helpful knowledge to reach goals. Collation is essential when looking to gain knowledge. Through collaboration with others, varied views are acquired which would have otherwise been missed in an individual attempt. Gathering strengths and working towards a shared aim is also a primary benefit of working together. To ensure a successful outcome, it is imperative to define objectives, welcome reviews, and embrace constructive critique. By collaborating, much more can be achieved and knowledge can be acquired that would not have been possible alone. Experimentation can be a powerful tool for gaining knowledge. Trying out new ideas or exploring different approaches can help us learn what works best. Testing our assumptions and hypotheses in a controlled environment can give us a better understanding of how different variables interact, so we can make smarter decisions based on the insights we gain. Therefore, it is important to embrace experimentation as a way of acquiring knowledge. Self-reflection is a pivotal part of the knowledge acquisition process. It entails investing time to contemplate our circumstances to achieve a greater insight into ourselves and our environment. Not only does self-reflection give us the chance to learn from our missteps and recognize our virtues and shortcomings, it can be advantageous in formulating personal aspirations and preparing for what's ahead. By taking a few moments to reflect, we can gain a more comprehensive comprehension of ourselves and our surroundings, thus allowing us to take our learning to a higher level. Continuous learning is essential for personal growth and success in the modern world. With the rapid developments that take place in technology, trends, and knowledge, keeping up to date ensures that we remain competitive in the job market. Continuous learning presents numerous benefits, including the opportunity to develop skills, expand our knowledge, and gain a greater insight into the world around us. Through this ongoing process, we can become more flexible, inventive, and progressive. Staying abreast of developments through continual learning helps us to progress and evolve. No one right way to acquire knowledge exists, and by combining different methods, we can reach our goals and continue to grow. Reading, taking online classes, mentorships, networking, experiential learning, travel, podcasts, webinars, attending conferences, collaboration, experimentation, and self-reflection are all excellent ways to gain knowledge and develop our personal and professional skills. Ultimately, it is up to us to experiment and find out which methods work best for us. Thank you for your attention.